One of the things that would make maple leaves easy to identify is that they are opposite. In other words, if one leaf leaves a stem going off to the right, then right at the same spot, another leaf will go off to the left. So they occur in pairs going in opposite directions. There are other plants with opposite leaves, but lilacs and catalpa leaves don't have lobes. And while viburnums have lobes, they are bush-sized. And so maples are trees where you have lobed leaves which are opposite. Maple flowers tend to be inconspicuous and green, and their fruits are dispersed by wind given the thin blades which extend from them. A number of animals, such as some birds and squirrels, feed on these fruits, and a number of animals will feed on maple twigs, such as deer. Sugar maple is well known for the shape of its leaf, given that it is on the flag of Canada. Its five lobes do not have teeth between the lobes, so they have smoother edges than others, such as the red maple. This common tree is also known for the sap in spring, which gives rise to maple syrup. In autumn, because maple trees can produce three types of pigment in addition to green chlorophyll. They can produce yellow xanthophylls, orange carotenes, and red anthocyanins. So sugar maple trees in autumn often have bright colors, in part determined by genetics, in part determined by whether the leaves are in the shade, in which case they will be more yellow, or in the sun more red, and when there is a freezing frost. Red maples are named for the beautiful red color that their leaves can achieve in autumn, but their flowers and the winged fruit, the samaras, may also have a red color. The bark is smooth, and although the leaves typically display a red color thanks to the anthocyanins and are often one of the early trees in autumn to turn color. They also possess xanthophylls, which can give them a yellow color as well. So in autumn, the leaves of red maple are not all red. Silver maple possesses deeper lobes than sugar or red maples, and in autumn the leaves can turn a variety of colors, shades of yellow, orange, and red. Striped maple possesses large leaves which possess three lobes. They typically turn yellow in autumn, and the bark is distinctive because it is smooth and green with pale white stripes, hence the term striped maple. This tree can be found in areas such as southern New York, but is more typical in northern regions of the Northeast. Box elder is unusual among the maples because the leaves are compound. They are so deeply lobed that what some might think are leaves are actually leaflets. And so it is a compound leaf, although it is still opposite. One of its other common names is ashleaf maple because, in this sense, it resembles another tree with compound leaves, the ashes. But it is a maple, as you can see here, with the maple fruits evident in these images.